guys, it's Celine, and today I'm going to be making a makeup tutorial for the New Year's Eve. So, go ahead. So first I'm going to start with this Maybelline Master Camo palette. I'm going to use the concealer which is on top as a base for my eyeshadow. And then I'm going to use the brownish shade in my Wet n Wild palette. You can use any shade that looks similar. And with a brush, I'm going to add it to the corner of my eye, and I'm going to line my eye from the outside with the brush. And I had some issues because the brush was really thick. And I'm going to use the golden shade and apply it in the middle of my eye. It should look like this. So I'm going to first apply an eyeliner after finishing the whole eyeshadow. And then I'm going to apply the Wet n Wild Glitter eyeshadow. And then I'm going to apply a mascara. I'm going to apply the Volia Million Lashes from L'Oreal. And then the Sephora Matte Red Lipstick. And then I'm going to use this palette again, which is the Maybelline Master Camo palette. And I'm going to use the highlighter, which is down, which has a blushy pinky shade. And I'm going to use my finger to apply it. And I'm going to apply it at my cheekbones and on the tip of my nose. Put a lot, because it's really nice. And as you can see, that was Layla trying to annoy me. I'm just kidding, we love each other so much. And put a lot because the shine is like really nice. I love it. Their highlighter is really nice. As you can see, I just said put a lot. Lovely. And then just put your hair down, wear a dress, and you're ready. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed the video, and if you like the makeup tutorial and you've done it, then leave me a comment down below. And yeah, I didn't use any concealer except for the base, and I didn't use any foundation. So if you'd like to use it, then use it, but I don't really like to use them, so I didn't use them. So yeah. And please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And today, it's the last video of 2018. So enjoy, and bye!